We are back in my workshop in Southlake, Texas, and I had to tackle these bedrooms. This was a very interesting situation. There were two major problems in this house. One was the old master, and the other one was, what am I going to do with this man cave that was off of the garage? So you can picture it. Well, actually, you'll see a picture here, but it had animal heads, that were stuffed. I think it had fishing stuff, you name it. It really felt like a garage. And you know what? It was a garage. It was a former garage that was converted into this man cave. So we had to make it feel, warmer. We had to make it feel more functional, and there were some decisions that had to be made with that bedroom. It is in the back of the house, separated from the other three bedrooms. So finding that purpose that I talk about a lot, what can we envision the purpose of this room being? And immediately I thought about how many families, especially during this time, have a grown child that's moved back in with them, sometimes even grown children, families, or they have elderly parents that are not ready to go into the nursing home or into something like that want to stay close to their family. And this room was perfect for that, if we could bring it up to the level of feeling like a nice space. So I kind of named it the multi-generational room. And there's a bathroom that's close by as well. Plus, it is right by the entrance from the garage. So it could almost have a private entry if they came through the garage. So we got rid of everything that had to do with it being a man cave. The acoustic ceiling in there would have been very costly to remove. And I thought about how I could turn that lemon into lemonade as well. I had it painted the color of alabaster, just like the rest of the ceilings. And if it is a grown child, if it is an office, if it's a music room, that acoustic tile could actually be an advantage to keep the noise down. We got new carpet. We painted it the same repose gray color as the rest of the house, and it has a nice walk-in closet that really makes it a nice space for that music room, office, or that multi-generational room. We needed to decide how to handle the old master bedroom. When we walked in that room and looked at the windows, it was absolutely filthy. I don't even know how someone could breathe in that space. And this is the room that we looked into the bathroom, and we could see the toilet sticking out into the doorway. So through that process, we decided to move the master bedroom across the hall and to really change this from something that is dingy, a room you would not even want to sleep in, to something that's airy and relaxing. So we had paneling on the bottom that we kept in place. It was painted darker with a lighter on top, and I completely reversed that. So I put the alabaster on the bottom, and it looked like beadboard, and painted the repose gray above that. Do you know what? It turned out to be the cutest bedroom. We added the Jack and Jill bathroom. We changed everything out in that bathroom, and now the two bedrooms that we had equal access into the new Jack and Jill, and the master suite was all on its own on the other side of the house. The new carpet looked beautiful, the fresh paint, the new Jack and Jill with the barn doors, and we went from something I didn't even want to look at or step into it being a bedroom that I could truly see having a great night's sleep in.